This poor kid was standing all alone, looking lost and a little heartbroken. But then, his feline best friend came over, as if he knew exactly what the boy needed. The cat stood quietly beside him, gently pawing at his chest to get his attention. And just when you think it couldn't get any sweeter, he softly jumped onto the chair next to the boy, curled up beside him, and stayed right there. No words, no noise, just pure, quiet love. Sometimes, animals know how to heal us better than anyone else.